It's another episode of Target Practice. Where did I put the rubber band? Did it fall? Here it is. So you see this chapstick, a Nerf gun dart, Dodgers guy who I knocked his glasses off with this, a little army man or an Indian man, and another Nerf gun bullet. I will be shooting. Okay. Knock down the Nerf gun bullet. It bounced off, so there's one shot. It is a par 5. Okay. Dinner's ready. Whoopsies. It's not a par 5. It's a par 1 billion. Be there in a sec. Dinner's ready. Bing. LA Dodgers player. I'm just making a YouTube video. 2 and 1. That'll be my 4th shot. Okay, it is a par 5. Just gotta hit Mr. Ugly here. Mr. Ugly, you're going down. Boom! Whoa, look at that! He's hanging! I had to hang him for his bad behavior. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Maybe you can't see him, but look at that! He's hanging. Let's get a closer look. Look at that! I shot it and he started hanging. Woo! Look at that. So yeah, that's target practice. Bye.